Hi, welcome to LaLas World. Today we're going to talk about how to set up a YouTube channel on your phone. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on other great tutorials. Start off in your mobile browser on www.youtube.com. Click the profile icon. Click Sign In. Look to the bottom left and click Create Account. If you don't already have one, you can either make one for yourself or to manage a business. For now, I'm going to make one for myself. Go ahead and fill out all your info, and once you are finished, it should take you back to the YouTube homepage. After you're signed in, click on your profile icon. Click on your channel, and then click Create Channel. It will bring you to this page, but as you can see, there are no options to edit or upload videos. So what we're going to do is go to studio.youtube.com. And from here, you'll need to go to the desktop version on your mobile browser. Please note, Apple users have a different way of getting to the desktop version. For Apple users, press and hold the refresh button and it should bring up the desktop menu. Okay, so once you're in the desktop version, it will look like this. Look to the top left and click Menu Bar. Scroll down and click Settings. And you may have to zoom in or out to your liking, depending on the size of your phone. Click Channel. And we start off with Basic Info. To edit your channel name, click Google Account. Another tab will open where you can make your changes. I'm going to type LaLa the Tutor and then click Display my name as, make my choice, and it will save. Keep in mind this will change your name across all Google products like Gmail, etc. Once you're done, go back to the Studio tab. Next, add keywords for your channel. Keywords help your channel get found when people search for a particular phrase or topic. Next, select your country. The second tab is Advanced Settings. Here, you can choose if your content is made for kids. I'm going to select No. You can choose to display the number of people subscribed to your channel, and here, in the Other Channel Settings, let's click on Advanced Channel Settings. Another tab will open and bring you to options about advertisements, AdWords, account linking, and associated website, channel recommendations, and if you display a subscriber count. When you make your changes, click Save and go back to the Studio tab. Click Status and Features. Here, you can enable channel features that you are eligible for and check your copyright and community guideline status. Features in this setting include monetization, custom thumbnails, custom URL, and more. Some of the features aren't available right away for you, and you'll have to reach a certain milestone to enable the features. Keep that in mind. Once you're finished in this tab, go back to the Studio. And the last few options are to manage your YouTube account, delete or hide your channel, and choose if you want to disable internet-based ads. Next, we'll click the Branding tab. Here, you can add a watermark to your channel and improve your brand awareness and help with channel recognition. Okay, from here, we're going to make sure we save our changes so we don't lose them before going through the next part. So, make sure you click Saved when you're finished. Okay, now that my changes are saved, I'm going to go back to the channel settings and customize how the channel looks and show you how to upload a video. Once you're back in the channel settings under Basic Info, click on Customize Channel. From here, we'll need to go to our desktop version again, and don't forget it's different how iPhone users reach the desktop version. After you get to the desktop version, from this screen, you'll have to click the three dots to the top right and then click Desktop. Then click Customize Channel. In the top left, the pencil to edit your channel icon when the menu comes up. Zoom out and click Edit. Then upload your photo. I personally use canva.com for my channel art, thumbnails, icons, and other design needs, and it's free. You can use whoever you want, but this is just my personal preference. If you decide to use Canva, you'd go to www.canva.com, sign up, and when you're all signed up, click on Create a Design. Look to the top right and click the three dots. Here, you can enter the custom size for your channel icon, and the size requirements for YouTube are 800 by 800. After entering in the size, click Create a New Design. One thing I like about Canva is they have pre-made templates you can edit, or you can make your own from scratch. I'm going to do a quick search for technology, select this picture, and then download it. I'm not going into much detail since this is not a Canva tutorial, but if you have questions, you can leave them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. The size requirements on YouTube for channel art or your background image are 1546 by 423. So I'm just going to, again, create a design, choose a template, and edit it, then download. And of course, you can make your thumbnails on here. There are templates without having to enter dimensions also. You'd simply click on what type of design you want. In this case, thumbnails. And then sort through the template category. Once you're finished on Canva, go back to YouTube. Click your profile icon. Click Creator Studio. Then click on View Channel. Look to the top left and click the pencil to change your profile icon. You may have to zoom in or out. Then click Edit. Next, go ahead and upload your profile icon photo. You'll need to crop the photo to your liking, and when you're finished, go back to the studio. Please note, channel art can only be added via desktop PC according to the YouTube help section, so we won't go over background image channel art, but at least you have an idea of how to make it and the dimensions. Click Videos, and here you'll see a list of your videos that you've uploaded. Next is Playlists, where you'll see saved or created playlists. You can also see other channels you have. You can have a discussion with your subscribers. And you can tell viewers about your channel. For example, I will type, "This channel is all about technology." And then I will click Save when I'm finished editing. Look further to the right and click the gear for more settings. Here, you'll see privacy settings, channel layout, customization, discussion, comment control, and translation info. When you're done editing, you would simply click Save. To upload a video, click on Video Manager toward the top. Click Upload Video. Once your video is uploaded, edit the settings of the video starting with the title. I will call this My First Video. Then, for the description, this video is about business technology. Next, choose your thumbnail. Pick a playlist if you want to publish the video to a playlist. Then, choose if the video is made for kids. You can also select if this is a part of a paid promotion. And the next box is where you add your tags or keywords for what your video is about. Then, you can choose the video language. recording date and location. Next, license and distribution, the category of your video, and lastly, if and how you want to show comments and ratings on your video. After you enter all of this information, click Next. Here's where you can add end screens and cards. End screens are clickable and show at the end of your video. You can have a video, playlist, subscribe option, and more if you wanted to, and the cards are information pop-ups at chosen points of your video where you redirect your viewers to related content of yours. When you're finished here, click Next. This will bring you to the Visibility tab. Here, you can choose if you publish your video now, make the video public, private, or unlisted, schedule it for later, or promote to premiere to build excitement for your video. Once the video settings are to your liking, click Schedule in the bottom right corner. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Simply close when you're done looking at it. Now say you don't like your video or you made an error, you can delete the video by selecting the checkbox on More Actions to the right, and then check the box and click Delete Forever. And lastly, if you go back to the Studio menu, look down to the left menu bar and click the dollar symbol, this will bring you to the monetization section. Currently, the requirements for monetization are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. If you want to get monetized as soon as possible, go ahead and click the Notify Me When I'm Eligible button, and YouTube will email you when you are eligible. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or leave them down below, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.